Hi, it's Kari Mathews of Prairie Quilting. Today we're working on my quilt, Land That I Love. It's our Block of the Month quilt along that we've been working on, and the pattern's available through my website. So if you haven't gotten one, grab your pattern and join in the fun. The other videos are still out there. So today we're working on star 6, okay, right here. This one, let me see if I can get a better view. There we go, right there. Okay, and the fabrics I used are Liberty Whites. These are all Tex fabrics, and Celebrate the USA by Canvas Studio. And then we have Red, White, and Sweet by Nicole DeCamp. And we have American Valor by Cheryl Haynes. So let's go ahead and get started. But first, we have to do our question. So what is your favorite 4th of July memory? Okay, so for me, I think that my mom, she passed away 11 years ago. And so I would have to say for a lot of years, we went out to their house to swim and kind of made a day of it. So that would probably be one of my favorite memories for the 4th because of my mom. And yeah, so I want to hear yours. Post it in the comments here or post it on the hashtag Land That I Love, QAL. All right, let's go ahead and get started. All right, for our second star, we're going to go ahead and work with quarter square triangles here. Okay, so we have this blue star and then this white on white, it's a star print as well. And we're going to connect those on the short sides here. Okay, so we'll go ahead and line it up. Okay, and then I'm going to sew from the squared off corner. Okay, I'm an assembly line girl. I love doing it that way. There's just something so therapeutic. Okay, we're going to go ahead and open these up. And we have some bias edges, so we're going to try not to, stretch the fabric as I'm just kind of gently pulling it back and giving it a press. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and clip off the excess corners there. Okay, so next we're going to go ahead and match up those triangles that we just made with these half square triangles here. This light blue, it's a pretty firework print. This one is from Celebrate the USA, so it's all about our 250th anniversary here. All right, let's go ahead and sew. Right, so we are going to go ahead and press, and we're going to press toward this blue half square triangle to lessen the bulk here. All right, and we're going to clip off all of these dog ears. Okay, so we have a whole bunch of these fun units, and we're going to go ahead and make a fancy 9 patch next. So let's finish the job. So here is our fancy 9 patch. So let's go ahead and we're going to match these up and make our rows here. Okay, I'm going to sew with the pieced unit on top. So I'm going to lay that there. And got to make sure I've got them going the right direction. That's why I like to stack them so I know which side I'm sewing on. It's kind of my mental cue. All right, let's go ahead and sew. So I like to just keep laying it out to make sure I'm on the right track. Gets easier as the rows get put together because now you know. Let's sew. Okay, so for pressing all of these, I'm going to be pressing away from the pieced blocks. All right, so now we have our rows together. Let's go ahead and connect those rows. We've pressed so that our seams will nest. Let's go ahead, and you can feel with your fingers when they're nesting in there. Okay, and we have one more row to connect here. Okay, nest those seams and let's go sew. Okay, and to press, I'm going to go ahead and go toward that center. And there's our 6th star. All right, our block is finished. I hope you had fun, and I want to see your block in the hashtag Land That I Love QAL for Instagram, and write your favorite memory in there too, if you would, or here in the comments. So don't forget to subscribe so you can get all the rest of the videos. Take care.